What's going on, M&D Squad? It's your boy Devin. I just wanted to let y'all know I did not record on my X yesterday. I recorded on the 8+, so if you see a footage difference, you know what I'm saying, that's the reason. Other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Let's get into it.
Young Hydro Beats.
I'm spinning that check and how you drippin', drippin', drippin'. I'ma drip right with you. Girl, I think you need to cut that nigga clip. Sip this liquor and pay attention.
Alright, what's going on, y'all? Hey, it's your boy Devin. I need y'all to comment Team fucking Devin in the comments right fucking now. Fuck y'all talking about. Hey, look here, man. I just got off work, right? So look, I'm gonna do this prank, right? Let me turn the light on. On Madison right now. Found condoms in your car prank. Now look, I got these condoms from my cousin. I never planned on using them or whatever. I told him, hey bro, let me keep them Jones. I might need them one day. And today's that day, you feel me? I knew I was going to prank her, and I'm going to prank her right now. Matter of fact, look, so I got this thing in the car that I'm going to use. It's like a mount for the car. So I need y'all to comment Team Devin right now. Leave a like on this video, bro. It's my first prank that I did on her in a long-ass time, man. She got me a long-ass time ago with I'm cheating upstairs or some wild stuff, bro. We never posted it, never recorded anything. She pranked me, though. So I'm going to get her back, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to show her something. I'm going to give her something she ain't going to like. So I'm going to be like, hey, man, can you check that little thing for me real quick? I think I put my name tag in there. Let's get it, man. Hey, I'm going to see y'all in a little bit, though. Next clip. So, yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? I act like I'm vlogging, but I'm really not. What's up, babe?
Hi.
I'm vlogging.
Why you got half your shoe selection in the car?
What you mean?
I got like 4 pairs of shoes like that.
It's my girl. Yeah, don't be talking to my log. Can you see if I put my name tag in that little thing?
Yeah, which one?
Find it?
No.
Huh?
No.
Did you find my name tag?
No, that's not in there.
What you mean? No, girl. My name tag not in there for real?
It's probably in the shirt.
No, it's not. I always put it in there when I get off of work.
It smells like gas.
See if it's on my shirt. Yeah, right here.
Oh. I didn't really look.
What you mean? I asked you to look in there. You
I
say
did
no.
look, but I better be right on top. Look.
So what the heck? You just open it and you ain't see nothing. Obviously, it was a name tag in there.
You did not pull that out of there because I would have seen it.
What you mean? You did not hear me just go like this? This is in there. And then my name tag, your little face thing from high school. shit?
What do you mean?
You acting like I did something or something. You're not talking to me.
Why you asking me questions? You guilty?
What I do?
No.
Alright, so what you talking about?
But you feel like you did something, so.
You're not talking to me. So why is you not talking to me?
I don't know what to say right now.
What you mean?
What do you want me to say?
So you're not just talking, not talking to me for no reason. That don't even make no sense because you always talk to me.
I want to finish to watch Toy Story 4.
We did finish it.
I didn't. I fell asleep.
What time you come on tomorrow?
I'm off at 6. I work 8 to 1 and then 4 to 6.
Alright, can you watch Kayla at like 7 o'clock?
Watch her.
Like stay home with them while I go do something.
Go do what?
I gotta go somewhere with Matthew.
Go where?
And Gaithersburg.
Go where?
Out with Matthew.
How where? Why are you
What you
stupid?
mean? In Gaithersburg.
Okay, I understand that, but you did what?
Just hang out.
Then no.
What you mean that?
Because you, why are you gonna leave when your family goes?
I got something to do.
Well, you have to do it a different day.
I can't because he worked.
Okay, it ain't my fault.
I know it's not your fault.
Okay,
It's my
so what do you
fault.
have to do? Why do you want to go hang out for an hour?
I ain't say for an hour.
You said 7 o'clock.
I said, can you watch them at 7? Because that's when I'm trying to leave.
To do what?
To hang out with Matthew. I just said that 8 times.
So you're gonna drive all the way there to hang out with them at 7 o'clock
Yeah,
and come home when?
9 and 10.
No.
What you mean no?
For what?
I just told you to hang out with
Just
Matthew.
hang out and do what?
Just hang out.
No.
What you mean no?
Why are you acting weird?
What do you mean?
What are you going there to hang out and do?
Hang out with my friend. What you mean?
So why can't he come over?
I hate driving at night, y'all. Just to let y'all know, I hate it. It's the worst thing on earth. What about you?
Yeah, me too. Can't see.
Alright, well, I'm gonna tell you the truth.
Yeah.
I'm going to Matthew's house.
Yeah.
He having a party.
Huh?
He having a party.
In his mom's house?
Yeah, in the basement.
And you need to go for what?
Because I'm trying to have some fun. What you mean? Why else you go to parties?
You can have fun any other way.
How's it?
You don't ever go to parties. Why you want to go now?
Because my friend throwing it.
Okay?
Everybody gonna be there.
Who's everybody?
Me. One. Hey, Jay. Snow might come.
No.
Some of his co-workers. What you mean no?
And then you're gonna drive home after.
Yeah.
I doubt it.
What you mean I ain't gonna be tired or nothing?
Okay. No.
No, no.
No. What's your window? Look like
Ain't no AC here. It's hot.
this. No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Hot as shit.
So I'm coming to them.
For what?
You're not going by yourself
Why?
because I said so.
You can't come. Who gonna watch Kayla?
She does not need to be watched. She's grown.
No, you got to watch them.
Then you better not be going. Either we going or nobody's going.
Why you wanna come with me? You gonna kill my vibe. I'm gonna just be sitting down. I'm trying to have fun.
And you can't have fun with me there.
No,
Why?
because you're just gonna have a stink attitude the whole time. I'm trying to have fun.
Okay. Have fun then.
Act like I'm gonna cheat on you or something.
Don't do
Why? Why?
What do you mean why? Stop acting stupid.
How am I acting stupid? You're not explaining. You're not saying nothing. That back up what you're saying.
Okay, why? What do you? I don't understand why you're asking me why. Like we didn't just go through all that bullshit.
What I got to do with me going to a party?
Because I don't trust you.
I ain't gonna do nothing.
Whatever. I'm too exhausted to have this conversation with you. Do what you want.
You do what you want when you popping. I'm just joking. I ain't going to no party, girl.
Okay. So what are you doing?
I ain't doing nothing. I'm staying home.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So why do you have condoms in there?
What you talking about?
Don't smile at me and play dumb with me.
I don't got no condoms in there.
I'm 2 seconds away from
2 seconds away from what?
pushing you out of the car.
I don't got no condoms in my damn car. What are you talking
Okay,
about?
really?
I don't.
So you're gonna sit here and lie to me.
I don't.
So when I pull them out, I'm gonna shove them down your throat.
You gonna show my them out? What you
That's
mean?
why do you have them?
Those not mine.
Oh, okay, whose are they then?
Ain't
You talk to
mine.
me like I'm stupid.
I'm telling you, they not mine.
Okay, but they're just in your car. You don't even use them.
Exactly. So why would I need them?
I don't know.
Exactly. So what did you
You
saying?
offered us to go out tomorrow, so
What you? I just told you I was staying home.
now you're staying home.
I was staying home from the jump. I was just messing with you.
You were just messing with me.
Duh.
So why do you have condoms?
Those not mine.
Those aren't yours.
Oh my goodness.
I don't understand where you got them from then.
What you mean? Those not my. I don't have them. Them Joes never touched my hand.
Okay, so then, how are they in here?
I don't know.
Do you see
Shit.
me riding around with condoms in my car?
You see me riding around with condoms in my car?
My car.
You see me riding around with condoms in my car?
Stupid.
No, you don't, because those not mine. I'm gonna tell you twice. The hell I need condoms for? We don't use condoms. We ain't used condoms since 2016.
Okay.
So what the hell I need condoms for?
I don't know. You tell me.
Exactly. So what you saying? You ain't make no sense.
So who left them in here?
I don't know. If I
You
know,
don't
I would
you
tell
don't
you.
act- It's like you don't act, you have a whole bunch of people in your car. You've been home.
I do have a whole bunch of people in
Who?
my car. Shit.
Who?
It's like 4 people, 4 other males that ride in my car.
Who?
Quan, Matthew, AJ, Cam. Shit, what the hell you talking about?
So somebody came and put them in your fucking.
How am I gonna know?
Because you're
If
driving.
I
you're
know,
sitting
I
here in
would
the
have
car.
told you. I'm
No,
not
you
always in the
wouldn't.
car. People go get stuff out the car when they
No,
leave
they
stuff in the
don't.
car. Yes, they
No,
do.
they don't.
What are you talking about? I don't know why you ain't just leave from this in the jump. I would have told you in the beginning. Shit ain't got nothing to do with me.
It ain't got nothing to do with you.
No.
But they're in your car.
Yeah.
And you have no idea about it when you were just in there.
They ain't mine. I don't use condoms.
Obviously you do.
No, I don't.
So where's the rest of them at?
What you mean?
Where's the rest of them at?
Well, why you asking me? They not mine.
Okay.
The hell you mean? I don't even know how many there is to begin with. What is it? 1?
More than one.
2? How many is it?
2. So why do you have them?
Those Quans.
Yeah, okay.
They is. They Quans. They Quans.
What are you laughing at? Because
Because they're
you're stupid.
Quans.
And you know you're lying.
No, I'm not. Your nail polish thing.
Okay, you can't even smell my nail polish. I
What
painted
you
it
mean I
4
can't smell?
hours
I
ago.
smell my nose. My nose smell it.
Okay, well, you probably smell your fucking condoms.
No, those not mine. Those is Quans.
No, but first you had no idea how they got in here, right?
Now they Quans. I remember now.
No, so why are they in here? What was the situation?
What you mean? Quan has some condoms.
Okay, and why is he in the car with them?
What you mean? Why he in the car with him? Because he needed some condoms.
So he's taking them in the car with him? Are you guys having sex?
Come on, boy. Don't ever play me
So
like
then
that.
why-
I ain't no chicks.
So then why?
I ain't no chicks.
So why is he bringing the condoms around you?
I don't know. What's
So let's
up?
call him.
All right, call him. Let's call him. You gotta tell me twice.
Okay, ask him.
FaceTime CQ Polo.
No, you don't have to FaceTime him.
Well, that's how I regular call people.
No, it's how you regular call people. You don't regular FaceTime.
Yes,
I
I.
have to punch you in your face.
I FaceTime them when I call people. I FaceTime them. What the hell you talking about?
Punch you in your face.
Hello? Bro, tell sister-in-law these damn condoms is yours, and I took them out the damn box to prank her ass.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Love you.
Love you too.
It's a damn prank. So how the hell you feel? With your dumb ass. Found condoms in the prank. Found condoms in my boyfriend car prank. I told y'all, Team Devin the strongest team in this motherfucker. Y'all already know I'm coming. I couldn't wait. I told her, look in there. I say, look, see my name tag in there. You know what I'm saying? Cause I knew I put them in there. What the hell you talking about? Dang, boy. Now apologize.
I'm not apologizing for nothing. He's gonna lie to you.
No, he not.
regardless.
Cause I put them jokes in there. Cause I knew I was gonna prank you. The hell? I was gonna call you another girl name, but I couldn't think of one. So I was gonna put 2 pranks in one, but I couldn't do all that. So how you feel getting pranked?
You was about to be out of the car.
Yeah, okay.
I was thinking about jumping and tucking and rolling at the gas station.
You okay? Prank.
That's fine.
Prank.
But
Prank.
that's fine.
I got a pranker.
That's okay.
Prank boys have begun. You wanna use them condoms?
No.
We can use them.
I
We ain't done it in a long
don't
time. We ain't used them in a long time. I forgot how it feels to put it on.
Put it on you
Yeah, and then put it in you.
right now.
How I'm gonna do that when I'm driving?
Okay, we'll do it when we go.
This is beyond me.
Like I said, man, everybody leave a like on this joint. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Everybody, y'all already know how I do, man. I'm a prank king.
We'll
Nobody
see.
over there, you know what I'm saying?
We will see. Cause somebody's gonna get their feelings.
I'm a prank king. I does this. Say, man, keep reaching there and see if my name tag in there. God,
That's fine though. You all happy as shit right now?
Like I said, man, make sure y'all comment Team Devin down in the comments below if y'all rocking with me, because you already know I ain't losing nothing. Every prank I do gonna be solid 10 toes down, you heard? So I'm gonna be dropping them bangers. Tell me whatever pranks y'all want me to do, you know what I'm saying? Comment down below, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I'll see y'all in the next video, okay?